Welcome to this English lesson on the irregular verb cost. The form is cost, cost, cost. All the three forms are the same. In this video, we'll explore the different meanings and uses of this verb with clear definitions and example sentences for each meaning. Let's start with the first meaning. Price. This is the most common meaning. We use cost to describe the amount of money needed to buy or do something. This is the money you have to pay in order to buy, do, or produce something. The concert ticket costs $50. In this sentence, costs is used in the present simple tense to describe the current price of something. How much does this ticket cost? This is a question using the base form cost. It asks about the price. Loss. Sometimes cost is used to talk about losing something valuable, not money, but time, health, or opportunity. Smoking might cost you your health in the long run. This means smoking may cause you to lose your health over time. It is a valuable thing. It will cost you a lot of time if you don't plan properly. So poor planning can lead to wasted time. Outcome. It refers to the price paid for an action, usually in terms of consequences, mistakes, or failures. His careless mistake cost him his job. So he made a mistake, and this mistake had a serious outcome. He lost his job. The mistake cost us the game. A mistake during the game led to losing it. There are many fixed expressions and idioms that include the verb cost. Let's look at some of the most useful ones. It costs an arm and a leg, meaning it is very expensive. Her dream wedding cost a fortune. This means the wedding was extremely expensive. He was determined to win the race at all costs. Okay? The word cost here is a noun. He's willing to do anything to win, no matter the difficulty. It won't cost you a penny for the first 6 months, meaning you don't have to pay anything for the first 6 months. This is often used in advertisements. His strong stand on the issue could have cost him his job. Because he took a firm position, he risked losing his job. The scandal has cost John dearly. The result of the scandal has been very harmful or damaging to John. The meal will cost about £20 per head. This tells us the price per person for the meal. So, let's quickly review what we have learned. The verb cost is irregular. Cost, cost, cost. It can be used to talk about money, loss, and negative consequences. It also appears in many idioms and expressions in everyday English. Understanding how to use this verb correctly will help you sound more natural and fluent in English. Try to make your own example sentences with cost using the different meanings you learned today. Thanks for watching.